COPD stands for chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, a group of 5 lung diseases: asthma, bronchiectasis, cystic fibrosis, emphysema, and chronic bronchitis. Heavy long-term cigarette smoking most often causes the last two, emphysema and chronic bronchitis. But they all have one cardinal symptom: shortness of breath. You see, these diseases limit the flow of air into and out of your lungs. As a result, you may cough, wheeze, have excess mucus, and often feel like you can't get enough air.
This guy was waffled even more than normal. Well, the bottom line was he said that silver dioxide is not harmful to the body, and that's the only thing they use in cloud seeding. And the thing that I've noticed after living in Reno for 4 years is that the more they seed, the less it rains, and wanted to know why that is.
When you put these particles into the air, because they're so small, moisture and ice crystals have a tendency to naturally gravitate towards these particles. If you heat the particles up, you can then carry the moisture to a higher altitude where the jet stream will carry it further downstream like a conveyor. So you can prevent the rain from falling where it would normally fall. That's one of the reasons.
Here at the first, and we'll go to Aaron. The end game is aluminum dioxide in all the soils, where you've got to go to companies like Monsanto. They're coming out with whole seed lines that will grow in aluminum poisonous soil. But that's only part of it. It's about the seed.
There were unusual high spikes in chemicals and heavy metals. Barium, aluminum, manganese, magnesium, zinc. And I suspect that we're getting the pollution from something in the atmosphere that's being released.
The cost of firefighting, the cost in the healthcare system have nearly doubled in the last 10 years. The amount of acreage is lost because of fires. The impact on human health is dramatic.
I personally tested water and aluminum, and I found aluminum had 47 times the normal expected amounts. Strontium had 10 to 20 times the amounts. Barium was 20 times. This is what the stuff looks like here.